everybody, and welcome to the town of Cupar, where I'm attending the Cupar Model Railway exhibition taking place over the weekend of the 20th and 21st of July 2024 in the Corn Exchange on St Catherine's Street, just a few minutes walk away from where I am. You can see the banner there promoting the exhibition. During this exhibition I'll be showing as many of the layouts as I possibly can. There will also be the usual boat display, so I'll try and show you some images from that as well. Hopefully we'll get a chance to chat to a couple of people, and as usual I'll be buying some stuff from the show which you'll see on Clydebridge station over the coming months. As usual, there's plenty of other exhibitions taking place, so as well as attending this show for myself by videoing it, for those of you who've got to go to other exhibitions or who cannot make it to Cupar, I'm also attending this show on your behalf, so this video is actually for you to experience the exhibition as well. It's a very nice sunny morning here in Cupar, so let's hope that the exhibition is just as nice as what the weather is. Let's go into that exhibition now.
Yeah, that's good. Looks all right.
Yeah, that's probably easier. Right.
So if you're a fan of Harry Potter, well this layout is just for you. It's Janice and Miles, is it correct?
Yes.
Yep, Janice and Miles McGregor, and Janice is here to talk about this Harry Potter layout there. And Janice, wow is the first thing I can only say. I've got a couple of mates who are fans of Harry Potter, and I think there'll be Harry Potter fans across the world queuing up to see this layout. What inspired you to have a go at building one of these layouts?
Well, we had kind of dabbled at home with another layout, and being a big Harry Potter fan, my husband decided to buy me the Hogwarts Express at Christmas. So I thought, well, I need a little something to run it on, and this kind of developed. I just went a bit daft with it. So, and I wanted to incorporate all the parts of the movies, so there's bits of every movie in there, so there's lots to see, lots to look at. And if you don't like Harry Potter, it's still a railway. So.
Yeah. I must admit, whilst not being a fan of Harry Potter, the layout is absolutely stunning. Just
Thank you.
Just how long did it take to actually get it to this stage?
It's ever evolving. It took about 3 years just to get basic layouts, but we keep replacing things, adding things. If things don't work, we find new ways of doing things. So it's ever evolving, ever adding little bits on.
Yeah, and the first time I saw the layout was at Model Rail Scotland 2023, and it must have got an amazing reaction then from people to it as well.
Yes, well, it had just been in the Railway Modeller magazine in the February before the show, which was good, and people were coming just to see it and they've seen it on paper.
Yeah.
So it's nice to see it in the flesh.
Yeah. One final question: where's platform 9 3/4? No. There we go, right there.
There, and we've got Hogsmeade.
There you go, folks. So check out this layout, folks. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll love this layout. Janice, thank you very much
Thank you
indeed.
very much.
Needs a bit more like that.
It's full power, that one. It's a very heavy train, full speed.
This year's Cupar Model Railway show is dedicated to the memory of the late Ron Johnson, former club member. He was very passionate about models and he in particular loved model boats. During my time at Kirkcaldy High School from 1990 till 96, I knew Ron as he was a janitor there, and he one time, along with others, demonstrated their model boats at Dunfermline Glen. Ron would have been very proud of these model boats from Dundee Model Boat Society. We will always have a display here at the Cupar Model Railway show every year.
The track rubber, it's not working for me, so I'm using the contact rubber. There might be some like off license. No, it's I forgot to change the points.
I hope you enjoyed that exhibition, and as you've detected a lot of things for the lathe, you'll see them on the lathe over the coming months. Just before I do wrap up this video, just to mention to you there, that building there is the former Laidlaw Garage Ford dealership. Later became Cupar Ford's centre under Evans Halshaw ownership. We've actually moved now to the Eden Valley Business Park, just on the outskirts of Cupar as you're heading to St Andrews. I mention that because there's a Facebook group, a public Facebook group called Old Garage Forecourts. Why don't you take a look at it, because it could give you an idea of buildings to put on your layout as well. The next update on this channel will be the August update, and because I had 2 weeks of annual leave from work, I was able to get a lot of gardening done and a lot of layout work done. So the August update will be a 2-part update. You'll have the first part one day, and a couple of days later I'll put the second part up. And just before we do finish, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and ringing the bell so you can be notified of any videos that come onto the channel. I usually release at least one video per calendar month on this YouTube channel. So that's it from the county town of Cupar. I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I look forward to your company next time. I'll leave you with some scenes from the show, and please do take care of yourselves whatever you're doing, and enjoy your rest, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.